Right guys, this video is about Billy Moore. You might have seen the latest video what Billy put up saying that he didn't know the man he was fighting with. Now the man just come and attack Billy for no reason. Think about it guys, why are you doing that? If you don't like someone, just ignore them. That's it. If you see them on social media, keep strolling, you little clowns. Instead of hating on a man for no reason, you don't know him. But then you want to try and fight with him in the gym. Let me tell you something, though, first. You're very, very lucky Billy didn't go 100%. He went about 60%, 30% there. That was it. Because Billy Moore would have put you fast asleep. That's a fact. The second thing is this. Billy Moore didn't grass. People are saying Billy Moore grassed. I thought he grassed because I seen the post where I seen a man getting arrested and then Billy Moore talked to the police. But no, that was before Billy Moore was arrested. Billy Moore didn't grass, and that's why in my video I said about Billy Moore, I like Billy Moore. But then when I said if he has grassed, then obviously we retract the statement, but he hadn't. He hadn't grassed. We could have quite easily done that. Many others would have. Billy Moore didn't. But as I said, this doesn't make you look good or hard when you attack someone off social media like Billy Moore for no reason. This does not make you look big and hard. It makes you look like a sausage. It also makes people think that you're just jealous of your brother who is actually famous. You probably grew up riddled with jealousy of your brother who's smashing it, to the degree that you just don't like people on social media, to the degree that you just want to try and go for them. But as I said, Billy Moore probably would have put you in a very, very bad situation if he would have let himself go, but he didn't. So yeah, my message, if you don't like someone, just walk past them. Leave Billy Moore alone, like, you know, Billy Moore's a nice fella. It's like, he doesn't bother anyone, so leave him the fuck alone. And guys, for the record, he did not grass anyone up. And that's what everyone needs to know. These grasses manipulate shit. Have a nice day.